Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to hide text. So there are several options to hide text. First, we can use the display none. Okay, I will create paragraph in here and you can type example. Or you can click file, save and open in browser. So if you want to hide this text, you can create in here for the style display and choose none. Now you can click file, save, and if you refresh, the text will be automatically hide. So the second, we can use the visibility hidden for the style. You can tap again P and example. You can click file, save, refresh, and you can tap in it style, set into visibility, and set to hidden. You can click file, save, and refresh, it will be hide the text. Okay, for the third, I will create again the paragraph example, file, save, and now you can use the hidden attribute. You can click it and set hidden, click file, save, it will be hide the text. Okay, the fourth, you can create paragraph and I will set example. And you can click save again to show in browser. Now to hide this text, we can use the style color transparency. Like you can click it, style. The next color, transparent. And click file, save, and then refresh to be hide the text. So the last, we can use the opacity and set into 0 for the style. So you can tap P, example, you can save and refresh again to show the text. And to hide, we can use the styles with the opacity and set into 0. You can click file, save, and then refresh, it will be hide the text. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to hide text.